Yeah, when it comes to sowing and planting, you can't beat a good label, can you?
You
folks?
can't. You can't.
And what we've been looking, so what we've been looking at this month are a number of different products. We've got a few on the table here, but you can get all sorts, can't you?
Oh yeah.
Large, small, plastic, wooden, slate.
Yeah, that's what we found.
Metal ones.
A range. Yeah.
And they're all pretty useful in their own way. So, Emma, what have you got there?
I've got some solid oak labels from the Organic Gardening catalogue. These are 20 centimetres long, 2.5 centimetres wide, so they're a nice big label really for getting your putting writing on.
Yeah.
The advantage of wooden, of course, is obviously, we're trying to reduce our plastic usage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're good, and being oak, that means they're going to be pretty robust and will last a long time.
Yeah.
And you'll be able to just clean off the
You sandpaper
the name off.
the name off,
and then
yeah.
use them.
Yeah. About you, Steve?
Yeah, well, I got these nice big labels from
Bumper.
Harrod Horticulture. Yeah. Ideal for labelling the ends of long rows, and you can put nice big writing on the end there, so you don't need your glasses to see it.
You need your special white marker, don't you?
Yeah, with these
Those
black
or
ones, you
silver.
do need a white marker, but I quite like that. Yeah, it's quite nice.
They stand out, don't they?
They do.
They don't
Yeah.
get lost
And
in
the birds
the
aren't going to
foliage.
pull those out, are
No,
they?
they're not.
They're nice and substantial, so when you put those in, they're going to stay there.
Yeah.
So yeah, Harrod Horticulture.
And last year's, if you look after them, just clean off the writing, couldn't
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm sure you
and
could
wash off.
you?
just
There's a way of doing
get
it.
rid of that.
Yeah.
That'll come off.
Well, I've got these 8-inch ones from Labels and Label and Things. I quite like them because sometimes I find some of these other ones a little bit too small.
Yeah,
But you can plonk that in a pot or even at the end of a row.
Yeah.
And plenty of space to write on them. And I quite like the attractive green colour.
Yeah, I do.
And with white,
That's
they
very
work
good.
quite show well, don't they?
Yeah.
So I'll be definitely using some of these this year, and we'll see how they go. So look out for the feature in the magazine. 7 products on show, and maybe one of them will be for your liking.